Question 2. Diagram on the right shows the graph of function, this one, where k is a constant. Given this is the minimum point of the graph, so this will be the minimum point. State the values of h, k and p. Alright, so our equation of this curve is x minus 3 square plus 2k. So this equation is given in vertex form. So vertex form is very easy to find the vertex lah. Okay, very easy to find. Vertex is this, by the way. Vertex is the minimum point. If you have a graph like this, the vertex will be the maximum point. Okay, vertex is basically turning points, minimum or maximum. So from this vertex form, how to find the vertex is very simple. Here, this will give us the x, this will be y. But the only thing is your x, you have to change the symbol. So our vertex will be 3, 2k. This will be our vertex. Okay, whenever we have this as negative, you have to make it into positive. If this is positive 3, here will be negative 3. Okay, you just have to change the symbol for the x. Y, no need to change. Y, you just have to write straight. So this is our vertex. And according to the question, our vertex is h negative 6. So from here we can just compare lah. H is this and this is this. So we can say h equals to 3 and 2k equals to negative 6. Therefore k is negative 3. Okay, h and k done. Next, let's find p. So p is the y-intercept. Okay, so let's write the full coordinates of p. And the y-intercept, x will be 0. So this will be 0p. So now that we know the whole equation, we already found k. Right? So you can just put this coordinate into the equation and find the answer. Okay, let's rewrite the equation. So k, just now we found k is negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 will be negative 6. Okay, this is our new updated equation. So you just have to put in the x and y value into here. Fx is also the same as y, by the way. So x is 0, p is fx. So you can say p equals to 0 minus 3 square minus 6. So this one you can put in your calculator if you want. Negative 3 square minus 6 is 3. So we can say h is 3, k is negative 3, p is 3. This will be our answer for A. Done. Okay, let's look at B. If the graph moves 2 units to the right, okay. So let's look at what the graph will look like. Oops. Okay, something like this. Okay, the graph is moving 2 units to the right. Determine the equation of axis of symmetry. Okay, so let's forget about this first. Okay, we move this up far away. Let's look at the original axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry is somewhere here. Okay, so this symmetrical line will be x equals to, h is 3, right? X equals to 3. Okay, this coordinate will be 3. Okay, the x coordinate lah. So in this case, x equals to 3 was the original axis of symmetry. Okay, if you don't know how to find, basically whatever line that is vertical will be x equals to something. Whatever line that is horizontal will be y equals to something. Okay, vertical line, x is something. So now the whole graph moved by 2 units, isn't it? So it will be somewhere here. So our new axis of symmetry would have also moved 2 units. So our new axis of symmetry would be somewhere here. So if this was 3, you move 2 units to the right, this will be 5 lah. So this axis of symmetry would be x equals to 5. So the answer for B will be x equals to 5. Okay, let's look at C. If the graph moves 5 units upwards, determine the minimum value. Okay, let's erase this first. This one also delete. Okay, now the graph is moving 5 units upwards. Somewhere here, let's say. So initially, our y-axis, our y-coordinate here was -6. So if our minimum point moves by 5 units, it will be at -1. So our graph will be somewhere here. Okay, so this will be our new graph. The coordinate here would be, x coordinate remains the same, 3. Y coordinate would be -1. Because -6, you move up by 5 units, it will reach -1. So we can say the minimum value. Oh, they're not asking the minimum coordinate, they're just asking the minimum value. Minimum value means you just have to write the y value. So minimum value is -1. So remember, if they ask minimum value or maximum value, you just have to take the y coordinate. No need to take the whole coordinate. If they say minimum coordinate, then you have to write the whole thing. That's it. That's the answer.